Alright. This is the demo. This is your credit balance. This is the trade size. This is where you find the pairs. To change, let's watch this for a minute. I'm going to show you how to make 730 seconds. Show you what I got going on here. Whichever way this is going, I'm probably going to take it that direction because I'm just going to do a real quick one. We need 30 seconds on the clock. I would like it to go up. You know what? Actually, I'm going to wait and see if it gets to around this level and I'll sell it. It'll be a put. I'm going to go in here. I think we're going to drop just a little bit more. So it took all the money away because my whole trade size was 1,000. So basically I have about 16 seconds for this to stay exactly where it's at and we'll make $700. Started out with $1,000 demo bonus when I started the video. I set a trade for 30 seconds. I watched it for about a minute or so. We're closing $700. There it is. Short and sweet video.